Hello guys, do you even wonder or want to make a blinking light? Like a decorative Diwali lights or a notification light in your phone? Then Gyani will help you. Before starting with this video, please go through our previous video of this series to get yourself familiar with the Gyani app. Let's start. Log into the Gyani app, create a project, give it a name. We will use blinking LEDs. Now, before connecting a module to the board, we need to identify the module first. Let's have a look at our setup video. As you can see, there is only one module connected to the board. That is a LED module. We will replicate same in our project and connect a LED module to this pin. We don't require to connect any other module, so we can move to logic screen. Now, before defining blinking LED logic, we have to understand it first. Let us watch a video in slow motion. Okay, so our LED turn on at 1 second and then it stay on for 1 second and then it turn off and again stay on for 1 more second, and this process repeats again and again. Let's implement it. Our logic will start from here and we have to turn on the LED. To do this, we have an output dial. We'll enable this LED and set its intensity to 200. Then we have to wait for 1 second, and for this we have a timer dial. We'll set waiting time to 1 second, and now we have to turn it off. We will use the same output dial, but this time intensity is set to 0. And again add a waiting period of 1 second. Now, to repeat this process, we will add a repeat tile. This tile will restart logic flow from start tile. Now, as our logic is ready, connect the board using USB and install it. Let's have a look at the outcome. Now you can play around and use different settings to create variation of this blinking LED. Use lower wait time for fast blinking rate or use a different intensity of LED. Have fun! Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more fun videos like this. Happy learning!